Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about ISRO's successful aspects operations on Aditya L1, Yantra's rupees 100 crore investment in generative AI market, OpenAI's GPT store delay, and internal changes, Telegram's 11 new features for enhanced communication, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. ISRO announces the successful commencement of operations for the Aditya Solar Wind Particle Experiment aspects on India's Aditya L1 solar satellite. Aspects comprises two instruments, the Solar Wind Ion Spectrometer (SWIS) and Superthermal and Energetic Particle Spectrometer (STAPS). Both instruments demonstrate excellent performance, meeting the mission's primary objectives. Focus on studying solar phenomena like the corona, solar wind, coronal mass ejections (CME), and flares, contributing to space weather prediction and technology impact. Studying solar winds crucial for technology, space exploration, auroras, and fundamental scientific understanding. Launched from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh on 2nd September. Next we have Yantra Tech Innovation Labs allocates rupees 100 crore investment over 2 years for India's generative AI market, fueling AI development by onboarding 500 skilled professionals, emphasizing generative AI integration into various sectors. Vikram Bhandari highlights AI's role in task automation, data-driven decisions, and efficiency enhancement. Focus on expanding services, strengthening Pune's Center of Excellence, and attracting fresh talent for innovation. Investment aims to boost R&D in generative AI, broaden talent pool, and enhance global market presence. WhatsApp, owned by Meta, reports banning over 75 lakh accounts in India during October to ensure platform safety. Platform releases safety report detailing user complaints, action taken, and proactive measures against abuse. Center introduces Grievance Appellate Committee (GAC) for user appeals, empowering social media users. Recent WhatsApp update introduces secret code feature for private conversation security. WhatsApp, an industry leader in end-to-end encryption, emphasizes user safety with a dedicated team. OpenAI delays custom GPT store release until early 2024, citing the need for ongoing improvements based on user feedback. Internal memo mentions CEO Sam Altman's reinstatement after threats of staff resignation. GPTs represent early AI assistant models for practical tasks enabling user sharing and income generation. Microsoft secures a non-voting board seat at OpenAI amid internal changes. Telegram introduces 11 new features for its 800 million monthly active users. Users joining a channel receive a list of similar public channels based on automatic selection. Users posting stories can now add video messages with creative resizing and placement options. Premium users access additional customization options like profile colors for unique profiles. Voice to text feature now available for all users, previously exclusive to premium. Channels with story posting capabilities can now view detailed statistics on views, shares, and reactions. Next up we have Walmart confirms it's not advertising on X, expressing financial concerns due to $13 billion loans and potential bankruptcy risk. Disney and Apple also cease advertising on X, impacting the platform's projected advertising revenue. X reportedly shifts focus to tap into small and medium businesses (SMBs) to compensate for advertising loss. Insider intelligence estimates Twitter's advertising revenue to drop to $1.9 billion this year. At last, WhatsApp introduces a feature allowing channel owners to invite new admins, enhancing administrative control. Currently rolling out to beta testers installing the latest WhatsApp beta for iOS. Channel owners can invite up to 15 contact as admin, with designated contact accepting invitations for access. New admins can modify essential channel details, control reactions, and manage content updates. Some limitations include the inability to add, remove admins, and restrictions on deleting entire channels. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है? और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।